Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says 3 out of every 5 dogs at the rescue are over 1 year of age. If there are 65 dogs at the rescue, how many are over a year old? And so this question is a proportion question. I know that because I'm given one ratio, 3 out of every 5, and then I'm asked information about a second ratio, but a piece of it is missing. I know there's 65 dogs, but I don't know how many are over a year old. And so I'm going to set up a proportion. I have 3 dogs out of every 5 that are 1 year or older out of a 5 total, and that will be equal to, again on the right side I want 1 year or over compared to the total. In my question, the total is 65. So that's going to go into the bottom, and the top will get my variable x. That's what I'm looking for. How many out of the 65 are over a year old? So we can multiply both sides by 65, or we can use the trick called cross multiplication, where I'm going to take the x and multiply it by 5 and get 5x. And I'm going to take the 3 and multiply it by 65, and I'm going to get 195. So that's actually a shortcut of multiplying both sides by 65 in order to eliminate the fraction. Either way you do it, if 5x equals 195, to solve for x, I'm going to have to divide both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 gets my coefficient to 1x, and 195 divided by 5 is 39. And so I know there's 39 dogs at the rescue that are over 1 year of age.